The Universal OEM Grade Converter, also known as the MagnaFlow Catalytic Converter Model 59959, is a versatile tool that can be used across a plethora of vehicle makes and models. Despite its universal application, this converter requires professional installation, as it often involves the use of welding, cutting, and tube bending equipment. Constructed with durable stainless steel, the product features a spun-body design for optimal corrosion resistance and includes integrated OEM-like O2 ports and sturdy hangers for reliable performance. The converter is compliant with federal EPA emission standards, ensuring that it meets extensive testing and certification processes. Designed for older pre-1996 OBDII vehicles, this standard-grade catalytic converter is backed by a 5-year or 50,000-mile limited warranty, offering worry-free ownership. With a price point of $161, the converter has a review score of 4 out of 5 stars, based on 49 reviews, making it a popular choice among consumers.